In this video, we'll define the matrix organization structure, break down how it functions within Lucid, and provide a step-by-step tutorial on how to build your own matrix org chart. So, what is a matrix org structure? It is a specialized reporting hierarchy where employees report to multiple leaders rather than a single manager, facilitating better cross-functional collaboration and resource sharing. The hallmark of this system is dual reporting, functional versus project reporting lines. This means a designer might report to a creative director while also answering to various project managers. There are three types of matrix structures. In a weak matrix, functional managers maintain authority. Balanced matrices share power equally, while strong matrices grant primary authority to project managers. Next, let's look at the pros and cons of the matrix structure. It promotes flexibility and open communication, but can lead to confusion or conflicting priorities if reporting lines aren't clear. Now that you understand the theory, let's jump into the product. Here is a step-by-step tutorial: how to draw a matrix org chart using Lucidchart specialized features. Start by opening the org chart shape library. Drag the org chart shape onto the canvas and use the data panel to import your employee list or build it manually. To represent the matrix, use the line tool to create dotted line relationships. This distinguishes a secondary project reporting line from the primary solid line of a functional manager. Finally, apply conditional formatting to highlight specific roles and use containers to group project teams. Once finished, share your document with your team to ensure everyone understands their reporting lines. Matrix structures can be complex, but with Lucid, you can bring clarity to any hierarchy. Sign in today and start building your own matrix org chart.